I saw so many people that are missing their search button for fonts in CapCut. Also, they don't see the templates. So I'm here to fix it once and for all. So here's the thing, I've been using CapCut for a couple of months now, and during this time, I noticed that I couldn't search for fonts. And there are many other people that are using templates for their projects, and I didn't have the option. In fact, I didn't even know that there is an option. So I went online to search on how to fix it, and I saw many other people and many other topics on Reddit and other forums that are facing the same exact problem. But despite the fact that there are so many other people that are facing the same exact problem, there wasn't a single solution on how to fix it. So I tried to fix it myself. So I went and tried and tried and tried. And after so many tries, I gave up. But recently, I tried it one more time. So here's the thing, if you're like me and you're facing the same problem and you are tired of trying things, I'm here to fix it once and for all for you. So right now I'm living in Italy. So I don't know if it's because of the Italy or Europe or some specific regions, but I noticed that if you change your IP to somewhere else, for example, United States, I tried United States, the problem can be solved. So as you can see right now, I don't have the option for search button and I don't have the template on the left side. And now I'm using a VPN and I changed my IP to America. And as you can see, the search button is available and also the sidebar, I have the template option. So you can turn off the VPN once you opened your project. But remember, every time you open a new project, you need to have that VPN turned on. So I made this video because I saw so many people are facing the same problem like myself, and I thought maybe with making this video I could help them out. So if you enjoyed this video, tell me if I should make more videos like this in future or not.